In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to effectively zoom in and out of your presentation in Google Slides. Whether you're focusing on the finer details or getting a wider view of your work, understanding how to adjust your zoom settings can enhance both your presentation creation and delivery experience. So let's dive right in and explore the simple yet powerful zoom functionalities available in Google Slides. First, you want to begin by opening your desired presentation in Google Slides. Once your presentation is loaded, direct your attention to the top menu bar. Here, you'll see the option labeled View. Click on this, and a drop-down menu will appear. Within this menu, you'll find the Zoom option. Clicking on Zoom will present you with various levels to choose from, such as 50%, 100%, 150%, and more. Selecting one of these options allows you to quickly and intuitively adjust your view, making it easier to focus on specific areas of your slides or get an overview of the entire presentation. Now, if you're more into using keyboard shortcuts to streamline your workflow, you're in luck because Google Slides makes this incredibly convenient. If you're utilizing a Windows computer, you can zoom in by simply holding down the Control key and pressing the plus key. Want to zoom out? Just hold the Control key and press the minus key. Similarly, for Mac users, holding the Command key and pressing the plus key will zoom you in, while holding the Command key and pressing the minus key will take you out. These shortcuts are handy and keep your focus on creating and refining your presentation content without interruption. There might be times when you've zoomed in or out, perhaps a little too much, and want to return to the default view quickly. No worries at all. Google Slides makes it just as easy to reset back to the normal view. Simply go back to the Zoom option under the View menu and select Fit. This allows your slide to fill the screen perfectly, giving you a balanced view of your slide layout and content. It's particularly useful when you've been exploring your presentation details closely and need to reset your view. And that's all there is to it. Being adept at zooming can substantially improve your productivity and the way you present your work, enabling you to address every fine detail or switch to an overview in the blink of an eye. I hope this guide helps you navigate your presentations with more ease and efficiency. Thank you for tuning in, and don't forget to practice these zooming techniques for an enhanced Google Slides experience.